Hey everybody, continuing my walk here around the subdivision Cedar Hills in Broken Bow, where we're building our personal cabin right now. Right now I can see four trucks of workers there. That makes me very happy that it's moving along good today. But you know, the first video here I kind of said, you know, you need to make the commitment, you decide, do your research and pick a good realtor, you know, that knows that area. And that holds true no matter what you're doing in real estate. You know, I'm a residential realtor in the North Dallas area. You know, people should expect when they come to work with me that I know that area well and I can give them good advice on long-term rentals, investing, purchasing their homes, everything with a residential real estate in that area. So you need, when you're going to a Broken Bow, Panama City Beach, Florida, anywhere you're looking for short-term rental opportunities, get connected with a realtor that really knows that area. So, you know, that's back to one. But what I want to say is, once you make that decision, once you've started sinking money into it, like we bought the land first, then we interviewed builders, and then then we selected the builder, and then eventually you get started building. You know, be prepared to spend money before you ever make money. We are about 8 months into our build right now, and with a construction loan like that, a builder's construction loan, you pay interest only on the draws the builder is taking. So in the beginning, you know, she took, $25,000 here, $30,000 the next month for materials and labor, and I was paying $250, the first couple months, and the more money she pulls against the loan, the higher it goes up. Now, this last month, I just had to pay, we're 8 months into this, I just had to pay $1,036. This is starting to get a little bit painful when there's no money coming in. So if you're going to pursue building a cabin or building something for investment purposes, short-term rentals especially, be prepared. You're going to spend some significant money before you're ever making money. So, that's just a little bit I want to prepare you for. And also, I have to pay $190 a month for builder's risk insurance. I'm not sure the full definition, but my bank and my builder told me I needed to do it, so we did it. But I mean, I'm so excited about the opportunity up here and the chance to spend time with family and stuff. This last couple of days with my boys up here, we're renting a cabin right next to ours. I needed this time with my boys, and it's so peaceful up here. But if you're going to go through the building process of building a cabin from scratch, just realize you're gonna invest, and it's going to take time. Ours is a relatively small cabin, but it's going to take about 9 months from start to finish. And some of the bigger cabins, I'm sure, take a little bit longer, depending on the work crew and the workforce the construction company has. And 2 years ago, we were in a much worse place with supply chains too. So, just be prepared that you will spend money before you get the opportunity to make money. But, do your research, pick a good realtor, understand what you're getting into. And that's Short-Term Rentals 201 if you want my perspective.